Hello everyone, today I walk you through the process of adding an echo effect to your videos using the Capcut application. Pay close attention to each step and let's get started. Begin by opening the Capcut application. Once you're on the home page, click on New Project to start a new editing project. Choose the video to which you want to add the echo effect. Click Add in the bottom right corner. Tap on the video and then select Extract Audio. This step is crucial for manipulating the audio separately. Now, click on the extracted audio and you'll find the option for voice effects. Navigate to the voice effects section. Look for the echo option and tap on it. Adjust the quantity and strength of the echo according to your preferences. Once satisfied, click the checkmark to apply the effect. And voila! The echo effect has been successfully added to your audio. You can play around with different settings to achieve the desired results. So that's a wrap. Adding an echo effect in Capcut is a breeze. If this tutorial was helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more content. See you in the next one. Bye bye.